Hey, what is going on, guys? So here are all my Apple Watch bands for my Series 4 44mm. Now all these replacement watch bands have a high Amazon review. Now I'm going to show you the price I paid for each of these. Also, I'll tell you a little bit about it, and I'm going to put each one of these on to give you an idea what it actually looks like. So the first one here is a leather band. Now I got the one in black, but they also come in brown and dark brown as well. And I'll show you the underneath here. The buckle here is stainless steel, and you have two loops here. One is standstill and the other one is movable. Now this next one here is by Cartier Jet. It is made of woven nylon, as you can see here. And I kind of got the army green color, but they have a ton of other colors as well. You can see what the buckle loops look like here. Now this one here is by Marge Plus, and this one here is leather as well. I got it in brown, but they have several other colors as well. And you can take a look at the buckle there. Now this one here is definitely one of my favorites. This is by GTech here, and it's a nice stainless steel here, but they also have a black one as well. This is the box that this one comes in here. And with this one here, you're most likely going to have to make adjustments because it comes in really big. So what you're going to do is take some of the links off, which they provide you a tool, which is easy to take off these links, basically to make it smaller to fit your wrist perfectly. And I'll give you a better look at this. To open and close, you basically have these two buttons here on the side. Now this one is by Mifa here. I got the one in black, but it also comes in a brown and also an oyster color, which is kind of a gray. And this is leather, of course, and it does have a classic buckle here, as you can see. And you can see the two loops right there. And here is a blue Milanese. They have several different colors as well. This one is by Turnga here, and I'll give you a closer look at this. And it's also magnet right here. So basically wherever you tighten this, it's basically going to just stick on there. And we have another Milanese loop here. Now I got the black here, but it also comes in silver, gold, and rose gold. And this one here actually has a case on it as well. Give you a better look at this. So the ones with the cases, you basically just put the watch underneath and you just snap it into place. And this one here, of course, is held by magnet as well, as you can see here. So basically when I snap this up, these are actually quite secure as well. So just go ahead and line it up like that and just press it in. And you hear that snap and you're ready to rock and roll. And to take it back out, you just snap it back up like this. Now last but not least is this one here. This one has a rugged protective case on here. This is my second favorite one here. And you can see the TPU rubbery bands here. And this one here, you actually have a button that's on it. This one here, it just came completely naked, as you can see there. And I kind of like this one too because it kind of just makes the watch look bigger and thicker. And this one is by Supcase. And looking at the buckle here, you can see that logo UB Pro. That stands for the Unicorn Beetle Pro model. You can see the double pins on here, and it has one loop that's like a double loop, as you can see here. And let me put this one in, and I got to put the button here first. Snaps in just like that. Well, there you guys go. Guys, let me know which one you like out of these the best. Again, I told you my two favorite ones out of these. I mean, the thing is, all of these have super high Amazon reviews. All of these are almost 5 stars as well. But my number one is probably this one right here, and my second one would be this one. And if I want to pop this one out, I have to pop it out on this side first, because we have that button that sticks out right there. So just kind of like go from the side. Just push this side out first, and then you can go ahead and take it out just like that. Well, there you guys go. I'll give you guys one more look at all of these. We've got the leather bands here. We have my number one favorite here. Another leather one here. We have this nylon over here. And we have another black leather one. And for today, I think I'm going to go ahead and wear this brown one here. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.